ದೀರ್ಘಕಾಲದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಮತ್ತು ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಇಂಡಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಾಡಿ ಡಿಟಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರತಂದಿದೆ ಎಂದು ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ತಂಡದ ಎಚ್ಒಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೀಪ್ತಿ ನಿರಂಜನಾಳ್ತಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ತಪ್ಪಲಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಇಂಡಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದ್ದಿಗೋಷ್ಠಿ ನಡೆಸಿದ ಅವರು ಈ ಕಿಟ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ ನಿರ್ವಿಷೀಕರಣ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಸಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಇದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಪಡೆದು ಗುಣಮುಖರಾಗಿರುವ ರೋಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪಿವಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಪತಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಡಿಟಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಿಟ್ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಕುರಿತು ಅನುಭವ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡರು.
Malaysia, all these countries there are special Ayurveda massages or treatments which has been done. He has experienced those treatments as well. So our unique product, that is Ayurveda home detox kit, the reports even that would be analyzed, and then the kit would be designed as per your body constitution and the ailments. There is no generalized approach in Ayurveda. In the same way, our home detox kit is also not generalized. It is very specific and individualized treatment kit. So after the detailed consultation, the complete kit would be prepared and will courier to your house. So this kit will have all the herbs, oils, ghee, everything in the kit. Because during the detox program, you may need to also undergo a body massages where you can do a self massage or if you have a nearby any center or a place where somebody can massage you, you can use this oil and get it massaged. And also it has medicated ghee inside it. All the herbs and medicines required during the course of detox program, everything is included in the kit. But when we say the home detox, diet is major role in any detox program, or if you are undergoing any sort of treatment, diet plays a major role. So during the detox program as well, you need to have a special diet. To have the special diet, even for that, you need not look into the ingredients as well. This kit will have all the ingredients required for your food during the detox program. So including the rice, dal, khichdi powder, ganji powder, everything is included in this kit. So once you have this kit, you need not think about anything else. You can just start the program. Apart from this kit will have a brochure which is self-explanatory and it explains your day-to-day program as well. So even the recipes which you need to have during the detox program, the recipes also has been printed in this. So you can start your detox program with more ease. Apart from this, the duration required for this detox program would be 7 to 10 days, and this can be done by all age groups starting from the age of 16, and it is very safe. It is called as mini Panchakarma detox program. When you go and undergo a classical way of detox program in any center, whatever the results you can expect with this